This week on Definitely Off Topic!
Like, what the fuck are we talking about, dude?
No way.
Unless you're Will Smith.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, gonna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my own life behind.
Dolly, yes, sir.
Yep.
Got a follower.
Yep.
Fit the box for the follower, the seed of the fire. Check a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, 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 feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder,
Feel the thunder.
thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was screaming through the masses. Who do you think you are?
Dream about being a big star. You say you're basic,
Yeah.
say you're sneezing,
Yeah.
you're always riding in the back seat. I was smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds.
Thunder,
Thunder,
thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, 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 feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder.
That's not how this part goes, right?
Thunder, feel the thunder.
Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning.
Thunder, 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 thunder.
The lightning and the thunder.
Alright.
What the fuck?
So what'd you think?
That was the oddest one of those I've ever seen. Big tit goth girl with a baby,
Reverse Benjamin, kinky Benjamin Buttons.
a kinky old baby,
Old baby man.
old man baby man,
Old man baby
old man
man.
baby man. What the fuck? Well, old woman baby man,
Old woman.
Old woman baby
yeah,
man.
I guess. There was eyeshadow
or
there.
old man baby woman.
Old man baby woman. Old man baby
Old
woman.
man, baby
That's
woman.
what it was.
Because
yeah.
it's definitely old man to a
Right.
that was a
to
woman
a lady.
to a
Right.
daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Old
And the
man, baby
Old
woman.
man baby woman. There you go, man.
I mean, at least they sound good. She is fucking like, fuck that. I would at least stop by my dad.
That's
Oh, that's not his dad. Oh, that sucks. I would at least stop by that adult bar and be like, bro, hit this shit.
bro,
like,
please.
Fuck that, dude.
Please help. Help me.
Help
Help me.
the fuck.
No.
Hey, y'all sub right now.
Yeah.
Help us.
Come on now.
Hit that sub button, baby. Let's go.
Hey, look at this.
What kind of fucking skill is that? Like,
I don't.
this is like, guys.
Hey man, check it out.
Hey guys,
I can
check
do.
this
I can
shit
do.
out.
I can do the Kim K.
I can make like the bottle fucking like. What the fuck were they doing, man? So many questions to be asked about that shit. I mean, I can't do that. I mean, I probably can do that to be honest, but I just don't understand what was the occasion that was being done for. Because I just saw a bunch of niggas right there. So I'm just curious.
Right.
Like, did a
Come on now.
nigga bet you real quick that you couldn't like make a ass fucking glide up your back? Or I don't know. I mean, what are we? I
It's a new challenge.
That's the new challenge.
The new challenge.
What would be the name of it?
I'd say the Kim K, bro. What are we talking about?
I'd call it Glassback.
Glassback? Glassback.
Glassback.
Clapback.
Clapback. Glassback. Clapback.
Check it out.
Hey, my baby. Oh my God.
She do not want to talk to that nigga at all. Wow, she's like, bro, please, bro.
Dude, that first one had me to, hey!
Hey,
like,
my
click,
baby.
like, nope.
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 Anyways.
Oh, no,
Man,
no,
that guy fucking sucks.
Oh, shit.
Let me see here.
She's gonna let that shit go and bust her fucking face.
It's like 4 foot. You're only a little over that.
Ass and the water's gonna go over my head, though.
Yeah, you're right.
Hopefully
All
I'm
right.
gonna land on the sand.
I never have balls, so here they go.
Just keep your
Ready?
until you get in the water.
She's gonna let that shit go as soon as she swings out.
Just go. Sink or swim.
Ready?
Go.
1, 2.
That shit hurt. I know that shit hurt.
Dude, she hit the ground so
She
hard.
did hit that shit
hit the
fucking
ground so
hard,
hard.
dude. And you know they're all tipsy and shit, so she's probably gonna get up laughing, but her whole right side's about to be
All black.
fucked.
Black as fuck, bro.
Fucked.
Hell yeah. Look at this.
Fucked. Oh, what the fuck was he? What was he have? What did he have lit?
I don't know.
Fucking my gosh, David Arthur. David Arthur, my fucking goodness, sir. The fuck is going on, David Arthur? Do something about that shit, my guy. What the fuck was that, dude? Hey, you look at one of those. That look like one of those like keep the flies away from me kind of
Oh
deals.
yeah,
though,
yeah,
but,
like tiki torch type situation.
what you
Yeah.
add to it, motherfucker? Like damn. that-
Gasoline.
and then it like slapped him, and he's like, oh fuck. They ruined that song for me. I really like that song. What's the name of that song?
Oh no. Maybe it'll put it in there. Firefighter? Maybe.
Nah, I think it's
Yeah,
by,
I think that's just a hashtag.
Oh my
Probably
god.
not firefighter.
It's not firefighter. That's
You said it's not. I
horrible.
promise. All right. Look at this.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
You don't see it again?
Oh! You even heard the other person go, oh!
I think that was him. It was like, oh.
Wow.
Oh. All right, Damien, you haven't seen this, right?
Stop barking at me, guy. I'm not even doing anything. She's like mad at me.
All right, so you haven't seen this, right?
No.
Okay, cool. I'm showing Damien Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared. He's never seen this before. Check it out.
What's your favorite idea? Mine is being creative.
How do you get that idea?
I just try to think creatively. Now when you look at this orange, tell me please, what do you see?
It's just a boring old orange.
Maybe to you, but not to me. I see a silly face, walking along and smiling at me.
I don't see what you mean.
'Cause you're not thinking creatively. So take a look at my hair. I use my hair to express myself.
That sounds really boring.
I use my hair to express myself. Now, when you stare at the clouds in the sky, don't you find it exciting?
No.
Come on, take another look.
Oh wait, I can see a hat. I can see a cat. I can see a man with a baseball bat. I can see a dog. I can see a frog. I can see a ladder leaning on a log.
Think you're getting the hang of it now, using your minds to have a good time.
I might paint a picture of a clown.
Whoa there, friend, you might need to slow down. Here's another good tip of how to be a creative whiz kid. Go and collect some leaves and sticks and arrange them into your favorite color.
Blue. Red. Green.
Green is not a creative color. There's one more thing that you need to know before you let your creativity flow. Listen to your heart, listen to the rain, listen to the voices in your brain. Come on guys, let's get creative. Get creative. Now let's all agree to never be creative again.
What the shit, bro?
Did you like it?
I mean, it was. I don't. That was tough. That's tough.
It was not as bad as I remembered it being. I remember when I first saw it. I was like,
yeah, that was kind of just like. But hey, I mean, hey guys, don't hug me. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
6 feet back.
6 feet back.
6 feet the fuck back.
Oh yeah, that's pandemic.
Hey,
right?
hey, and supposedly it's coming back stronger. So hey,
the sequel, two time.
Two time.